The US Border Patrol are on the lookout for any illegal immigrants, and this evening run into Carne Asada from Mexico. After being arrested, they apply for and are granted H-1B visas. After many years in the US, they end up at Lass's kitchen, and in their honor turn into the most delicious carne asada found anywhere in the Gulf of America.
Yes, from beautiful animals comes beautiful food. Our carne asada is one of the very best you will find inside or outside Mexico. Absolutely marvelous.
The very first thing we'll do is marinate the steak. There is no right or wrong as long as the meat is on the thinner side. We don't want a 1 to 2 inch thick steak for carne asada. Ours is perhaps a bit on the thin side, about a 1/4 inch thick, but has a fantastic taste.
First, let's cut some cilantro into finer pieces as the base of the marinade. And then we'll cut an orange and 2 limes to squeeze into our mixture. For the next ingredients, we'll add about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, followed by 2 or 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Then about the same amount of soy before we add some of the dry herbs and spices. First cumin, about a tablespoon of each or to taste. Then chipotle, followed by onion and oregano. Finally, you can add either fresh garlic or garlic paste.
And there you have it. A really wonderful and fresh marinade that fills the room with a fantastic cilantro and herb aroma.
Having marinated for a few hours now, let's get these bad boys up on the grill, shall we? The smell is simply amazing, and each piece is so tender it just melts in your mouth. These can now be eaten as a delicious appetizer for the carnivores, or make a small taco with guacamole and sour cream.
Mexican food is so versatile and loaded with flavor. Our hats are off to all the great Mexican chefs that have brought us all these beautiful recipes. And we thank all our subscribers and visitors who visit our channel. Please, if you enjoy our content, subscribe, like, and ring the bell. See you again soon. Thank you and bye now.